Hello friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. I am so excited. This video is an invitation to an open collab that I am hosting. It's my first one, yay! And I'm hosting it with one of my best YouTube sisters, Karen Jeter. Now if you don't know Karen, you should. She has the biggest heart and the sweetest disposition, and she uploads some of the most creative, I should say, content. Her channel is similar to mine. It's decorating, it's DIY, it's a little cooking thrown in, and she has learned to love, or is loving now, the modern farmhouse style. So she's doing a lot of different things to bring that into the comfort and coziness of her home. So we're co-hosting this collaboration together, and I am excited. So the name of our collaboration is, I have my notes, Farmhouse Entryway Summer Refresh 2020. The hashtag for this collaboration will be the same, so it will be hashtag Farmhouse Entryway Summer Refresh 2020. The upload date for this collaboration will be July 13th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will have a playlist, and we will try to have the playlist up on July 12th by midnight. However, if you upload your video early, please schedule it not to run or not to activate until 5 p.m. on the 13th Eastern Standard Time. Okay? Now here are the expectations of the collaboration, and they're simple and they're easy, and they are: you're to mention both our channels, both Karen's and mine, in your video. You're also to be subscribed to both channels, mine and Karen's. We also would like for you to add florals or greenery. So if you're, kind of tired of all the flowers and that kind of thing, just add some greenery to your design. And we want you to give it a farmhouse twist, okay? A modern farmhouse twist. And then have some fun. And that's it. That is the extent of the rules for this, okay? So we're big on the having fun part. So your entryway is the first thing, other than your curb appeal, that people see when they come to your home. It is the first thing they see when they're entering your home. So it's going to give them the impression or the feel of what your home is like, whether they're going to feel comfy and cozy or not. So that's why this area of the home is so important. So we want you to style yours the way that you would feel if you were entering someone else's home, how you would like to feel, I guess I should say. If you were entering someone else's home, or what I like to do is to style mine or spaces in my home that make me feel comfy and cozy when I enter my own home. So either way, okay? And that's the extent of the rules for this collaboration. Again, the upload date is July 13th, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the title and the hashtag are the same: Farmhouse Entryway Summer Refresh 2020. And I'll leave all of that information in my comment section below, okay? I sure hope you'll join us, and if you are going to join us, leave me a comment and let me know, so we'll be expecting you to come on board for this fun collaboration. And again, I'm excited. It's my first one, so come on, join us, okay? And with that said, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, but I'm looking forward to seeing you for this collaboration. So I'm going to leave you with hugs and blessings and lots of love. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.